Good morning, Form 5 student. So today we will start a new session, 10.3 Combination. Okay, so this is quite similar with the permutation, okay, but of course they got some different also, okay. So now take a look at your textbook. So in the previous session, we have learned how to find the numbers of the permutation of 4 students, okay. So Ada, Bobby, Kathy, and Dennis. But we only need to take out 3 of the students at one time, okay. So how many permutation we will have, okay. So for example, we can pick up Ada, Bobby, and Kathy, so we have the ABC. But of course, when you change the order, remember, okay, when you change the order, not Ada, Bobby, and Kathy, maybe Ada, Kathy, and Bobby, it will count as the second choice, okay. So total, if you really want to take up 3 students, it will be 4P3, okay. Take out 3 from 4, okay. So you will have the total number. Of course, you can use the calculator, okay, to find it out, or you just list out all the possible outcome, okay. It will be 24, okay. So this is how can we calculate. But what is the difference between combination, okay? Actually, combination, we don't care about order. What does it mean? Okay, let me give you some example. For example, okay, Mark 6. If you can buy Mark 6, everyone know that Mark 6 means you can choose 6 of the number, okay, to buy it, right? So for example, Miss Poon go to Jockey Club to buy the Mark 6, okay? So I will pick the 6, 23, and then 16, 25, 32, and then 45, something like that. It's not in order, right? Can you see that? I just randomly put up some number in my mind and I want to buy the 6 number. So if I buy this one, okay, and then at the night, okay, they give us the results, okay, maybe some of the lady or gentleman, okay, in the TV show you that, okay, the first number running out is 16, second will be 6, then 32, 25, 45, then 23. Oh my god, Miss Poon is so lucky. All the numbers are all matching. So can I got the champion prize? Okay, the top prize? Of course, yes, right? Because all 6 numbers are matched, okay? All 6 numbers are matched. Then, is it the order is very important? No, sorry. The order is not important because our 6 number is totally the same. I don't mind that whether my 6 number, the order is different or not with the results, okay. So this is how can we say it, that combination actually don't care about order, but permutation, we do care about order, okay. So give you one more example about the permutation, okay. What's the difference? Also the Jockey Cup, beside the Mark 6, you can also, or of course only the adult, okay, only the adult can play it, is the racing, horse racing, okay. So horse racing is a kind of the NPR case. For example, okay, you want your dad, okay, want to buy the horse racing, okay, the position. Maybe he want to buy that the first one is a horse called Bobby, okay. Then second is called a winner, okay. Then third is Spring, okay, something like that, the name of the horse, okay. So is it matter that the name of the order, is it very important? Of course, even though that you know that Bobby, Winner, and Spring will win the top 3, but if you arrange in different position, I'm sure, okay, the Jockey Cup won't give you any money, okay, because even though the same 3 horse, they win the top 3, but the order is the different, okay. So this is one of the example to tell you in daily life, to tell you that how can we separate NCR and NPR, okay. One of them very clear, care about the order, but one of them don't care about the order, okay. So now let's summarize the difference between them, okay. What's the difference between permutation and combination? Okay, so first of all, permutation, we do care about the order, okay, but combination, sorry, we totally don't care about the order, okay. Then your formula of the permutation, NPR will equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Then NCR formula will be n factorial divided by n minus r factorial times r factorial. So if you can simplify, you can see that actually NCR is equal to NPR divided by r factorial. Just divide by all the order factor. Okay, we negate all the order factor. So definitely NCR will be much smaller than the NPR. So for example, same case, if you got 8P5, XC5, XC5 must be smaller than 8P5. Okay, this C value will be smaller, okay, then P value will be larger. Okay, so now tell you, okay, how can we find out the value of the NPR and NCR? So in the previous session, you have learned how to find it, right? So you can see that the button, okay, on the top of the times button and divided button, you can see the NPR and NCR. So if I really want to find out the answer, okay, for example here, if we really want to find out HC2, how can we do it? Okay, so I want to tell you that actually both two writing style is both accept. Okay, in your textbook it will look like that, but in your calculator it will look like that. So it depends on your own style. Okay, so in the previous video, Mr. Yuan showed you that write in vertically, right? So now Miss Poon will show you, okay, Mr. Yuan show you in vertical style. Miss Poon will like to use the horizontal style. So it's up to you which style you want to choose, okay? But make sure that you write it in correct order. It should be NCR, okay? Not the RCM, okay? Be careful about this. So now take a look of this. If I really want to, okay, find out HCR, how can I do it with the calculator? So first of all, you type 8, then shift, okay? Shift what? Shift divided by. So shift divided by actually will tell you that this is NCR button, okay? So 8 NCR, then 2. So finally, press EXE. So they will tell you that what is the answer. The answer must be 28. Okay, so this is how to find the NCR from the calculator, using the calculator to help you to find out. Okay, so now we gather what we have learned today. We have learned what is combination, what is the difference between combination and permutation. Okay, so now take a look of this classwork and then tell me whether they are permutation or combination. You must know how to separate them. Otherwise, if you give me the wrong symbol, the answer will be totally different. Okay, so take a look of this A part. So select 4 students from a class to join mathematics competition. So now, first of all, is it matter about those 4 students' order? So I must choose Ada first, then Billy, then Kathy. Is it really like that, or just randomly? Okay, those 4 of you come out, we join the math competition. So if don't care about the order, it will be C. Okay, NCR. So take a look of this. Is it care about the order? Of course not, right? So it will be a kind of the combination. Okay. So now take a look of the B part. Choose 10 students from all S5 to take up different posts. Okay, remember, 10 students, different posts. So different posts does it mean the order is very important? Of course. So take a look of this. Is it P, VP, Treasurer, Secretary? Is it different posts, right? So Ada do the P. Is it same with Billy do the P? It's totally different, right? So it do care about the order. So in here, B part, is an example of the permutation. Okay? So now take a look of the C. Draw 5 cards from a deck of 50 playing cards. So now we want to draw 5 cards. So is it matter about the order? No, they didn't mention anything. I need to draw the A first. I need to draw the king, right? Didn't mention anything. So it doesn't matter about the order. Okay, so it's combination. Now take a look of the D. Hand 8 different painting in 2 rows. Okay, of 4. So what does it mean? What It means that 1, 2, 3, 4 to row, 5, 6, 7, 8. It doesn't mean the order is important, of course, because the painting 1 can be put here, or we can reverse the position. The painting 1 put here, painting 8 put here, right? So when you're changing the order, the outlook is totally different, okay? So this does care about the order. So it's a type of the permutation case. Now, last one. Assign 4 apparatus to run the different lanes in the 4x100 relays final. So if you really want to run for the relay, as the order is very important. Yes, of course. Just imagine when during the sports day, we have the class relay competition, right? So all of you would think about it. Okay, who is run most faster? Run the last run, okay? Who are slower? Please run for the straight row, and then the round row move to another one to run it, something like that, right? So you need to plan who will run the first one, then second, then third, then final, okay, to complete the 4x100 meter relay, right? So this is really care about the order. So what we need to do, we need to using a permutation, okay? So this is today's lesson. You need to learn what is combination, how to find out what is the difference between permutation and combination, okay? So next video we will do more example, okay, on how to find out the combination solution, okay? Thank you. Bye.